What's up guys? This is 5 things with new video. There are many things that go into making a barbershop truly great. Top quality service comes when all the right ingredients are in place. A proper barbershop doesn't just offer basic grooming services, it provides its clients with a premier barbering experience. Every aspect of the shop should be designed to enhance the quality of the services and make the whole event as relaxing and enjoyable as possible. You may have been to a barbershop that fails to achieve this, where the barbers are rushed, the light is dim, and there's not a single friendly face in sight. This is where bad haircuts happen. Men's haircuts are extremely detailed, and when you skimp on the details, even in the slightest, the result can be tragic. From friendly smiles to amazing haircuts, here are the top things you'll find in any legit barbershop. Number 1. Good barbershop lighting. Many salons and barbershops use lights around the mirror to illuminate the client as they work, but it only casts light on one part of the head. Though it may make the client look like a movie star as they gaze into the brightly lit mirror, strong light from a single direction casts shadows. Number 2. Hot towels. Turnover rate is important to many barbershops these days. Churning and burning out cuts is the fastest way to make money. That's why it's rare to find a shop that takes the time to use hot towels along with their grooming services. Not to mention the ridiculous amount of laundry that's involved. Number 3. A friendly hello. A great barbershop needs to be welcoming and warm. It's a place where people go to feel good about themselves. They come in haggard and leave looking dapper. From the moment they step into the shop, a client has to feel acknowledged and appreciated. That's why a simple hello is so important in a good and proper barbershop. Number 4. Top shelf barber tools, supplies and products. This should go without saying, but one of the most important aspects of a barbershop is the barber tools and supplies. Imagine a painter who uses busted paintbrushes and cheap paint. The resulting painting would most likely be a disaster. It's the same with barbers. A barber's tools are crucial to their craft. Without properly sharpened shears, quality clippers, and new razors, no grooming should ever be undertaken. Number 5. Most importantly, amazing haircuts. Finally, the true mark of a great barbershop are the haircuts themselves. Many barbershops out there focus on making their shop seem hip, or knocking out a huge number of appointments in a single day. They sacrifice many, if not all, of the things listed above, in the name of money and popularity. Thus, the quality of the haircuts suffer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. See you in next video.